In today's video, I am going to teach you how to factory reset Google Chrome browser. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the three-dot menu icon. Click on that menu to open the main Chrome options. From the menu, select Settings. You will see a navigation panel with different categories. In that panel, click Reset Settings. After clicking Reset Settings, you will see an option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click that option to continue. Chrome will then show a confirmation window. In most cases, resetting Chrome will return your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs to their default state. It can also disable extensions and clear temporary data such as cookies. However, your bookmarks, browsing history, and saved passwords are typically not deleted during this process. Once the reset is complete, it is a good idea to test the browser and see if the issue has been resolved. If Chrome was opening unwanted pages, behaving slowly, or showing unusual behavior, this reset can often fix the problem without requiring a full reinstall. That covers everything you need to know.